If you're experiencing issues with Minecraft updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the update process effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. Step 2. Restart the Minecraft launch. Close the Minecraft launcher completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear the launcher cache. Navigate to the Minecraft launcher settings and find the option to clear the cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be interfering with the update process. Step 4. Update Java. Make sure you have the latest version of Java installed, as Minecraft relies on it to function properly. Visit the official Java website to download and install any updates if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation, which can resolve persistent update issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem of Minecraft updates getting stuck. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.